WE-NP100 Pen Tube Hot Stamping Machine. Turn the emergency switch to the right to release. Turn the power switch right to turn on. Set the thermostat temperature. Press the up and down keys to increase or decrease the temperature. The current preset temperature is 150 degrees. The pressurization time is set to 1.5 seconds. The foil rolling time is set to 0.5 seconds. The foil rolling time will be matched with the rolling speed to control the foil rolling length. Currently set to low speed. Turn the counter on. Automatic mode, continuous hot stamping.